Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the top-rated power supplies that you can get your hands on, the Super 1000W PSU. This is, without a doubt, the best 1000W power supply with 80+ gold certification, offering excellent performance, stability, and efficiency for your high-performance gaming rig or workstation. The Super 1000W PSU comes with cutting-edge features designed for the modern-day PC builder. With its fully modular design, you can connect only the cables you need, which not only keeps your setup clean but also enhances airflow for better cooling. This feature is especially beneficial for high-end components, as the clean and efficient power delivery helps maintain the longevity of your parts. One of the standout aspects of this PSU is its 80+ gold certification. This means that at typical loads, this power supply is over 91% efficient. That's not only great for saving energy but also helps reduce heat, making your system run cooler and more efficiently. Whether you're running demanding applications or intense gaming sessions, the Super PSU keeps things running smoothly without overloading your system. But that's not all. The Super 1000W PSU also features the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compatibility. The addition of the 12V HPWR connector provides up to 600W of power to your next-gen graphics cards. Including PCIe 5.0 and 5.1 GPUs, which are essential for peak performance and power efficiency in modern systems. Whether you're building a monster gaming machine or a content creation powerhouse, this PSU has you covered. Another key highlight is the ultra-quiet 120mm fan that ensures efficient cooling without the loud noise typically associated with high-power PSUs. You won't have to worry about a noisy fan disrupting your gaming or work environment. The fan is designed to stay silent even under heavy loads, giving you the perfect balance between power and peace. Lastly, Super doesn't compromise on quality, using 105 degrees Celsius rated Japanese capacitors to ensure superior power reliability and performance stability. This means you can trust that your system will be powered safely and efficiently for the long haul, even under demanding conditions. So, whether you're upgrading your current PC or building a new powerhouse, the Super 1000W PSU offers the performance, efficiency, and reliability that you need. With its top-tier certification, fully modular design, and cutting-edge features, this is truly one of the best power supplies out there for high-end systems. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you're interested in picking up the Super 1000W PSU, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations on the latest tech.